Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the motor's nameplate values and safety requirements. Once done, pick a clear, accessible shaft spot. Attach a small piece of reflective tape or apply 1/4 turn paint to create a visible reading target and make sure wiring is safe and the motor is unloaded. Use a digital tachometer or an optical reader aimed at the mark. You want consistent readings, so steady the probe and reduce background reflections. This sets up an accurate first RPM capture. Now, use the chosen instrument and understand why each method matters. With an optical tachometer, you aim at the reflective mark and take 3 consistent readings, averaging them for stability. Optical is non-contact and quick. If you use a contact tachometer, use the right adapter and touch the shaft center briefly to avoid imbalance. Contact gives high accuracy. For electrical motors, measure supply frequency or commutator pulses with an oscilloscope to compute RPM. Finish by recording the averaged RPM and comparing it to the motor's rated RPM so you know the percent difference. This tells you if corrective action is needed. If readings are off, check for load issues, belt slip, incorrect pulley ratio, or supply voltage variations. These explain why the motor runs slow or fast. If measurements are erratic, secure the sensor, clean or reapply the reflective mark, and try a different method. If problems persist, inspect bearings and coupling for mechanical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.